Talk 69, Material Safety Data Sheet, MSDS. What is an MSDS? A Material Safety Data Sheet is more than a piece of paper. It is knowledge. It is prevention. It is life-saving information. An MSDS tells us what chemicals are made of, how they behave, how they can hurt us, and how we must protect ourselves. Purpose. The purpose is simple: to keep us safe. It explains the chemical composition, the physical properties, the effects on our health. It tells us which protective equipment to use. It teaches us what first aid to give if someone is exposed. It prepares us for emergencies, spills, fires, accidents. Key information included. Every MSDS must contain manufacturer's name, address, and phone number, the chemical identity of the product, routes of entry into the body, physical and health hazards, carcinogenic classification, safe use precautions, first aid and emergency procedures, date of the last revision, your responsibility. MSDS are not optional. They are required by law. They must be accessible. They must be visible. They must be known by everyone who works with hazardous chemicals. Knowing where they are and how to read them could save your life or the life of a co-worker. Final message: handling chemicals without knowing their risks is like walking blindfolded on the edge of a cliff. The MSDS is your map, your protection, your defense. Read it, understand it, use it, because safety is written in every line of an MSDS.